Hey, today I'll show you how to remap keys on your keyboard. I recently switched to a new keyboard with a weird layout. Caps lock is right next to the spacebar, which keeps messing up my workflow. Since swapping keycaps won't fix it, I'll show you how to remap keys through software instead. Let's get started. High-end keyboards from brands like Corsair and Razer have remapping software, but this cheap membrane keyboard doesn't. So what's the solution? In the description, you'll find a link to SharpKeys, an open-source tool that remaps keys at the registry level in Windows. It's simple, effective, and even has solutions for unrecognized keys on its GitHub page. Head to the Releases section on the right side of the GitHub page. Click on the latest release, marked Latest Release. Download either the MSI installer for an easy install or the zip package for a portable version. Open the installer and follow the on-screen instructions. When prompted for administrator access, click Yes. Once installed, open SharpKeys from your Start menu. Click Add to create a new key remap. Select the key you want to change on the left, caps lock in this case. You can click Type Key and physically press the key to select it. On the right side, select the key you want it to function as, right Alt. Click OK to confirm. Click Write to Registry to save the remap. A prompt will appear saying that the key mappings have been successfully stored. That's about it for this video. Hopefully you found this guide useful, and I'll see you all next time.